Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set reminders in Pipedrive. This will help you stay organized and make sure you don't forget important tasks. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to the left side menu. Then click on Activities. This is where you can see all your tasks, calls, and follow-ups in one place. Once you are in the Activities section, go to the top and click on the plus icon to create a new activity. Now a form will open. Start by adding a clear title for your reminder. For example, you can write something like Call Client or Send Follow-up Email. Next, choose the due date. If possible, also set a time so you get notified at the right moment. After that, select the activity type. You can choose task, call, email, or any option that fits your reminder. Then, add some notes if needed. You can include important details so you remember exactly what to do. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your reminder is now set and will appear in your activities list. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.